Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is alright and you're enjoying Black Friday weekend, Cyber Monday nearly, and I have got my eyes on some goodies and I thought that I would kind of unbox a box in relation to Black Friday and sales. And it is the Asos Bobbi Brown box. As you might know, every month Asos do a beauty box. It's not a subscription, it costs £12 plus P&P. Or if you spend over, I think £25, it's free P&P. Or I think there's another thing, like if you buy an annual delivery subscription, you can get a discount, like it's cheaper overall or something. Anyway, this box is no longer on sale. So why am I showing it to you? Because Bobbi Brown has 20% off right now if you spend over £65, plus you get one of the items in here completely free. So I thought maybe other people want to see these things and it might inspire them to do a bit of shopping, and I thought I will put them on my face as well to do a demo so we can see if the product looks nice, if it's easy to apply, all that kind of jazz. So before we do that, it'd be great if you could give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and when you're done you can share this. Alright, let's get into this video. This is the contents, which looks kind of small, but you know, Bobbi Brown stuff isn't cheap. So let's see what we have. And it's kind of the whole thing to do a full face. Well, sort of. It says Bobbi Brown Cosmetics is all about enhancing your beauty, not covering anything up, and we feel that. Pare back your makeup for the colder months and add these Bobbi Brown essentials to your glam squad. And first, it has late winter nights, need not be an issue with the extra repair moisture cream. Just use a generous amount before bed. Obviously, there's no point in putting night cream on now, but I will show it to you. The lovely thing about these kind of products is they come in nice jars and they look fancy. Heavy glass jars. It says this is a lightweight version of our iconic Extra Repair moisturising balm that's great for normal to dry skin and anyone who lives in a humid climate. So it's just a cream. Oh, okay, right. If I just hold that up for a second, I don't know if you can see that. It's really thick. It's like a body butter kind of consistency, and as you can see, it melts in lovely. Melts in lovely? That's not very good English, is it? It smells delicious. What does it remind me of? I don't know. Reminds me of like an Eve Lom cleanser or something. Kind of along those lines, but that's really nice. I like that. I'm looking forward to that. I love a thick night cream. So let's go into things that I will be putting on my face right away. The first one is this. And this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's the best-selling primer plus moisturiser which cushions skin and creates the ideal canvas for makeup. So we've got another lovely glass jar. It does actually say now available in a mini size for travelling, so maybe that this 15ml one is actually the travelling size, but let's have a look. Oh, it's just the same as that cream actually. It's really like a body butter. It's really thick. Always handy if I actually get my mirror ready, isn't it? So it says apply everywhere except for under the eyes. Now I'm literally just touching my finger on it like this and then rubbing that tiny amount onto my face, and I've covered my whole face, which now feels moisturised. And look at that. Can you even see any missing? You can just kind of see a dent, can't you? That's pretty impressive. I feel like that's going to last me a while. Nice work so far. It feels nice, smells nice. Feels just like a moisturiser. I can't say like, oh, my pores have suddenly disappeared or anything like that. Cushions skin and creates a canvas for makeup. Does not say removes all your pores and makes you super beautiful. Next we have this teeny tiny little one. Very cute, but very small. And this is Bare Glow, and it's an illuminating moisture balm. Kind of weird, we've just had a moisturising balm and now we have another one. But this is more for highlighting, you know, giving yourself a highlighting base, and it comes in one of 3 colours. This is the Bare one. So it's like the lightest of the 3. So I'm just holding my arm, you can see the shine there. So I might just put a little bit where I might like some shine later and see if that works. I've done the classic areas and it does look a bit extra shiny now. Well, I have to say my whole head looks like a shiny thing. But my nose, I've got the Rudolph Glow, so that's right, right? So our best-selling luminising moisturising balm now comes in innovative new package and new skin-flattering shades, Pink Glow and Golden Glow. The skin-boosting balm imparts an instant glow with pearl particles and a burst of hydration, and long-term skin-improving benefits help energise a tired, dull complexion to bring back its natural radiance. 54% see an improvement in skin moisturisation, 38% see an improvement in skin radiance, which I would say is true from what you can see on my hand there. Definitely does look glowy. After 4 weeks of use, there's an improvement in skin radiance and barrier strength and all kinds of things. It says apply as illuminating moisturiser on bare skin or layered over skincare. Okay. Pat over foundation for a subtle glow, can also be used on neck, shoulders and décolletage. So I've gone wrong already. I should have read the instructions, shouldn't I? But I can put some more on later. That's quite nice. We'll see how that goes over my other stuff. Next, I'm just gonna go off camera and put on my base makeup, and I will be back with you for the next bunch of stuff. Okay, so I am back and ready for the next few products, which are, in fact, let's go back into that illuminating stuff. Let's put it on top. Now, that's my cheek. I haven't actually powdered my face because I'm probably just going to put this on and take it off, to be honest. So that's what my face looks like now. I don't know what it is on this side, but I'm just very naturally shiny. Maybe I should see if I can powder. Okay, I think that's as good as I'm going to get. Look at that bit. Oh, this powder does my head in. Cannot wait to find my good powder. I'm a step closer today. We got a step closer to discovering the actual rest of my beauty room, and it's not my beauty room, that sounds really grand. I don't have a beauty room. To discover the rest of my beauty stuff and get ready for it. I even found a background. Amazing, huh? Right, a little bit of cream. So that's what it looks like. See, shine is still there, just the same as it was before. Honestly. I can see that, actually. I'm just going to use a cleaner finger because I just want to see if any of my makeup stuff comes off on my finger. I don't think so. A little bit. If you start like rubbing it a lot rather than patting it, it does come off, but you do kind of expect that. So I don't know how I feel about this. I guess it's nice for like a natural glow and would look good if you had really good skin and you didn't need to even out or anything and you just wanted to like make yourself glow a bit from the inside out. That would be quite nice. Not sure if I would get it to put over stuff. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it like amazing or is it just a thing? I'll definitely use it. I mean, I've got it, so why not use it? But there you go. Right, shall we go into, let's do lips. So we have this, which is crushed lip colour in the colour Babe. And I've had another one of them recently from Bobbi Brown. So I'm building up quite a collection of these crushed colours. And it looks like this. The packaging is really neat. You get an idea of the colour. Other one is called Ruby. And I'll just show it to you. I know it's not the same, but you know, just to give you an idea of their colour range. That is Ruby. And this is Babe. So it's kind of a more corally, peachy pink. It's quite a curved, what do you call it? Lip? I don't know what the word is. So I've done a couple of layers because I'm greedy and I just wanted to make sure basically. But I actually quite like this colour. At first I thought it was a bit too pale, but it's grown on me and now I do think it's one of those colours that's kind of a bit your lip colour but better. And although it is quite pink, it's not too in your face bright pink. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I like it. You can see it and it actually looks really different on my lips to that swatch. So I guess if you apply it a bit less, you will get less of an intense colour. If you apply it like I do, you'll get this. But yeah, I like that. Probably complements my jumper fairly well, do you think? I don't know. Would the other one have done better? I don't know. Anyway, we're doing what comes in the box. It says this is our most wearable lip yet, loaded with crushed pigments and lip loving ingredients, the ultimate swipe and go formula. or swipe 5 times and go if you are me. Rich in vitamins E and C and beeswax, the balmy formula glides on comfortably with a satin matte finish that leaves lips hydrated and kissably soft. Plus, it won't feather or fade for a crush-worthy colour that lasts all day. Ooh, we'll see how long it lasts. I can't remember, to be honest, how long the other one lasted. I didn't really think to test it, but I will test this. I've got a few things to do. We have 2 things left that we need to finish our look. And here we have a full-size item. Now this is Bobbi Brown and it is long wear cream shadow in the colour Beach Bronze. This is an award-winning eyeshadow and it's a cream eyeshadow that stays on, stays true and doesn't crease. It goes on comfortably with a soft velvety finish for up to 12 hours of water, sweat, humidity and transfer resistant wear. That's pretty impressive. The creamy formula dries down to a flexible veil that keeps pigments in place so colour stays true. Depending on the shade, use as an overall lid shade, as a lower lid shade or as a highlighter. Best applied on bare lids using the cream shadow brush. For a more sheer application, use fingertips. So this is the bronze colour. Beautiful. I'm just going to apply it all over the lid as that sort of colour with my little finger. Ooh! Didn't think that was going to be that dark. Let's just do a little swatchy swatch. So we've got a bit, let me hold my arm, we've got a bit of sheen there. I could see how that would blend out as well. Ah, interesting. Okay, let's give it a go. So you can definitely see the sort of sheer look they're going for, but that would make a really nice sort of crease colour, a deepening up colour. That is not at all what I thought this was going to look like, and I'm going to layer up a bit and see if I can get a bit more shimmer on it. I definitely think that you need a brush because just going with your finger is not getting quite the finished look that I was after, and the shimmer seems to kind of disappear. Like, look at the reflectiveness of that and look at my eyelid. If you look up close, there is the tiniest bit of sort of reflectiveness in it. But either you need to pack it on a lot or you need to use this in a different way. A little bit disappointed in that. I mean, I can definitely use this, but I wouldn't be able to just say this is part of my kit to just sweep over and go, because I feel like this isn't quite the right colour. Like if I just put it in my crease or something, that would be better than putting it all over. I guess I could keep trying to deepen it up, but without a brush, and I don't have a brush to hand either, so it's not going to happen. Alright, our last item is mascara. You're never finished without some mascara, are you? And this is the Smoky Eye Mascara. This is the mascara that you will get a free sample of if you spend over £65. I think it's on everything site-wide. At least it seems to be on everything so far that I've looked at. So let's have a look at the brush. The perfect complement to a smoky eye look, this kohl pigmented mascara delivers high drama by creating extremely black stretched out lashes in an instant. Plus the long wearing formula holds its own against flaking, smudging, sweat and humidity. Builds volume lash by lash as opposed to traditional volumizing formulas that create the appearance of volume by clumping lashes together. Plus a thicker brush base evenly combs through eyelashes from roots to ends, while a tapered tip grabs those small hard to reach lashes. I'm going to be brave and try and put this on without eyeliner. I say brave because, to be honest, every time I put mascara on, I get it on my eyelid. Which is why normally I just wear false lashes, because it seems so much easier. But for the purpose of testing this out, let's go for it. Oh, instead I gave myself a beauty mark. Well, maybe I'll leave it there. Does it look good? Okay, there we go. I'm actually really impressed. Of course, I did get a bit on my upper eyelid because I can't help it. I've got really fat eyelids. So hopefully you can see the difference in the length of these lashes to these lashes. Like, ever since I had extensions on my lashes, like the glued on ones, my eyelashes have never been the same, and I wouldn't recommend doing it for a long period of time, like a one-off. You're going on holiday, getting married, something like that, do it, but not for like a year, because my lashes have never been as long. That is pretty good, isn't it? And considering how many times I've gone over them as well, they are really not clumping. It's just that little section in the middle. Oh well, the more I go over it, the more it's not going to get better. Maybe I will try just going over a few less times on this side to complete the look. It looks better in real life. Hopefully you can see that somewhat. There we go, that is 2 lashes. I think I went a bit heavy on the under eye mascara on that side. But top or bottom, I think it looks really nice. And if I completed my look with some eyeliner, I think I'd be quite happy. And just change the eyeshadow a bit. But yeah, including my new bead mark, that is my overall look with this Asos Bobbi Brown box. What do we think? I like it. Yeah, I'm pleased. I'm not sure how much difference the underskin propping stuff made. I think my skin looks the same as it would normally when I put these kind of things on, but it might be interesting to see how long everything lasts in this state. I am still tempted to put lashes on, but that's only because I'm used to having something bigger on. But I would definitely comfortably go out like this and feel like my eyelashes are in a good state. What do you guys think? Is this a look that I can carry off at least for another video? Because I want to record some more. And let me know what you think of Asos box down below. This one I think is pretty great. I think, oh, total value, it's like £76.43 for a £12 box. That is pretty amazing. So you should look out for the Asos box every month. Sort of start looking around the 2nd, 3rd of the month. Look out for people posting on their Instagram or Twitter or things like that. You can look and you can check, you'll see last month, so you'll see a couple of months before, and then all of a sudden, maybe, I don't know, 4th, 5th, it'll appear, and you better get your hands on it quick because this one's sold out mega quick. I'm not sure if there are actually any on sale. I think they might all be sold out at the moment, but you can get 20% off on Asos itself, which of course sells a lot of beauty products, using the code HELLO20. So it's definitely worth taking a look and looking on the Bobbi Brown website as well if you like this kind of product. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to see what the products look like on, and I will put anything in the description box if anything goes wrong, if they don't perform as they say they will. And until I see you next time, I hope you live everywhere well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.